It's a story about a person. You pick up a book, any one of those best psychology books on human behavior for beginners, perhaps Man's Search for Meaning by Viktor Frankl or Quiet, The Power of Introverts by Susan Cain, and suddenly, you're no longer just reading words. Your thinking rewires. This is more than what it appears. These hidden connections inside the pages reveal a person's journey to understanding themselves in ways they never imagined. By the end, you'll discover that these books are not just about psychology, so imagine you're diving into a book about human behavior. It's supposed to be simple, but the closer you get, the worse it got. And the pages turn slowly, revealing secrets hidden beneath the surface. This is the part most people never find out. The stories in these books aren't straightforward at all. They're full of twists and turns that make your head spin a little bit more each time. Think about how we think, how our minds work to figure things out. It's in just when you thought you had it all figured out. Another layer comes into play, making everything even stranger than before. Keep that in mind. The books are filled with insights and revelations, sometimes so subtle they're hard to spot. But once you do see them, your world changes a little bit. And the closer they looked, the worse it got. These hidden connections between actions and emotions aren't as simple as we thought. They weave through our lives in complex ways that challenge everything we believe about ourselves. This is why these books are so fascinating. Before we continue, people who explore their own thoughts deeply are rare. Welcome to MindLedger. Have you ever picked up a book thinking it would be one thing and found out something else entirely? How Best Psychology Books on Human Behavior for Beginners. Hidden Connections is just that. It starts off as an easy read about understanding people better, but then wait, that detail doesn't seem right. It talks so much about emotions, but the real story was buried much deeper. The author keeps mentioning these hidden connections between behaviors and feelings that just feel strange. It's wait, something here does not add up. They keep using examples from everyday life to explain complex emotions, but then throw in references you can't quite place, almost as if to mislead you or hide something important. But the real story was buried much deeper. That detail will matter. Remember it. It's 1 minute they're explaining why people react a certain way when angry, then suddenly there's this mention of ancient rituals or cultural practices that seem irrelevant at first but start making sense later. Wait, something here is what they found, and it made no sense. They thought the books on human behavior were just about explaining why people act a certain way. But then something strange happened. They started digging deeper into these best-selling psychology books for beginners. At first, everything seemed clear. The authors talked about behaviors, but as they kept reading and connecting the dots between all those ideas, it became obvious that there was more going on than met the eye. This is the part most people never find out. There were hidden connections everywhere. The books weren't just explaining behavior, they hinted at something bigger, a pattern tying everything together. Here's another example of what I mean. This isn't about why you get stressed or happy anymore. It's more, these pieces were all pointing towards one big truth that wasn't obvious on the surface but became clear once they fit perfectly into place. So, let's go back to those books again, this time knowing there was a reason behind every example and theory. They weren't random. Each piece of information connected. Nobody had seen it coming. Hidden Connections, Best Psychology Books on Human Behavior. They were always more than what met the eye. They weren't about just understanding our minds. These books were restarted with one question. Now you have seen the truth. These authors, they didn't write stories of human behavior, they created. Subscribe now, the next part drops very soon. Puzzles where every word was a piece fitting into our own lives. Mysteries. The real impact wasn't just learning about psychology, it was realizing that these books were designed to make us see ourselves in new ways. These weren't guides, they were mirrors reflecting back layers of our own emotions and experiences we never noticed before. The real payoff wasn't finding answers, but understanding that every emotion has a story worth exploring. We started with one question. Now you have seen the truth. And the closer they looked, the worse it got. The book seemed so simple at first, easy to read and understand. But as more people started noticing that every book had a twist, a secret layer no one could see before. This is the part most people never find out. The authors often left clues between lines or in small details, just waiting for someone to spot it. And as more readers joined the discussion, the closer they looked, the worse it got. They realized these books weren't just about human behavior, they were a map leading somewhere unexpected. And as more readers, the closer they looked, the worse it got, because every book seemed that detail will matter. Remember it, because hidden in these books is not only knowledge about human behavior, but also clues to understanding ourselves and each other better than we ever thought possible. And your mind has been doing this all along. You just never noticed. One question remains. The most important one of all. Don't miss the next episode, it reveals everything. The next episode goes even deeper. Subscribe so you don't miss it.